Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to start investing using the Etoro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you have to download the Etoro app. It's obviously the same for Android and iOS. You have to go to the store, type in Etoro, and then you will find the application. It's made by the Etoro company. They have only just this one application, so it's very easy to find. Just tap on it, download it, install it. As you can see, I've already installed it. And next to the second step. It's downloaded by 10 million people, which is quite good for a financial application. On their web page, it's very interesting because they are advertising their application now with mostly with cryptocurrencies, but as we all know, it started as a stock trading application, and it still is. You can still trade stocks on it, but they started trading cryptos as well, and probably as they see that cryptos are very popular right now, they started to market their application with cryptos. It's very interesting. So on the web store, these are the pictures that they show us. Easily build a crypto portfolio, trade the world's top cryptocurrencies, which is good. Copy the actions of top traders. Now this is one of their main advertising points, that you can copy big traders for crypto or for any kind of investment. Practice trading for free with 100k in a virtual portfolio, which is a very interesting way to educate people about investing. Connect, share your thoughts. So it's basically a social media platform as well. Let's do everything. That's the modern age business model. ProCharts Access professional grade market analytics tools. So this one is quite unnecessary, because if you are a pro, probably you won't use Etoro, and if you use Etoro, you are probably not a pro, so you won't use professional analytics, or I might be wrong. Let me know in the comments. Then get copied, get paid, become a popular investor, and we will pay you monthly. So now here, where is the catch? You can use Etoro if you're a pro to get copied by others. So you actually become a Etoro influencer, so, and then monetize your platform. So it is actually a social media account. Copy portfolios. So yeah, that's how you can do it. You can copy those Etoro influencers. So let's see the application after we downloaded it. What do we get? Let's go to Etoro. And here, obviously, you have to sign up. Trade the world's top financial markets with confidence. Yeah, that's cool. As you can see here, now we don't see the cryptos, we see stocks. Participate in online discussions with over 20 million traders. So that's also an interesting information, as we saw just saw before. On the Google Play Store, they had 10 million downloads, so it means that they have half of their users on Android, half on iPhone, which is quite an interesting statistic. Discover great traders and automatically copy their trades. That's what we all also seen. And invest in professionally managed copy portfolios. And then you can get started. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next video.